can see. You feel what I'm saying? We had a car meet, and I came here last time. I did came here last time, but you know, I had to pop out and show y'all like on some cool shit. So I'm about to show y'all what they got going on, and they really got that shit outside. Cause y'all know when Chris here, they got that shit outside. Like no cap, they got Spider-Man right here. That's some cool shit, and they got a M3 CS right here, a fucking M3. I ain't gonna lie, chat. Hold on, I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with these. Like no cap, no cap. I fuck with these, bro. That M4 is clean. I ain't gonna cap. M4 is clean. Now, that's tough. I ain't gonna lie. They got my boy M3 right there. What the fuck? Yeah, what the hell they got going on, bro? Hold on. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. No cap. What's up, gang? Oh, what's good, fam? I'm chilling for sure. Alright. They got a Supra over there. They got an M2, Audi, fucking M3. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, that blue. Oh shit. Y'all let me know if y'all fuck with that blue. That's tough. I think that's a wrap though. I think that's a wrap. But damn, that's tough. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That's a. Oh, look at that nigga. I think that's him. But I don't know if he's inside though. Is he? No, it's not. But yeah. This coming to the channel soon. I ain't gonna tell. But he's not inside though. But yeah. Yeah. God damn. I'm gonna show y'all what they got going on though. M2. Is that an M2? I don't know. But M3 competition. M3 CS. Fucking GTR. What the fuck? Yo, that's tough. AMG. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough. But I ain't gonna lie, chat, it's about to rain, bro. Like that's why I don't like Florida. I mean, I'm fuck with Florida, but like, why is you raining, bro? Like, come on, fam. They got an Audi RS7. God damn, it's tough. That's tough. That's tough. Then they got Porsches over there. Team of that nature. Porsche, G-Wagon, M340, Tesla, the GTR again. And it's a female, bro. Damn, that's tough. It's a female in that bitch. Stupid ass. Alright, they ready. God. McCleasy. Nah, that's tough. Hold on, chat. Fucking R8 right there. Got Ferrari. This is basically a Lamborghini, bro. No kidding. Damn. Yo. McCleasy. Bugatti in this bitch. What the fuck? Yo. Not a Bugatti. Yo, that's tough. That's actually my first time seeing one, chat. Damn. First time seeing a fucking Bugatti, bro. What the fuck? First time seeing a fucking Bugatti, bro. What the fuck? Look at that Lambo. That's the fucking 2024, right? Am I tripping? It's my first time seeing one of these two. I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, Porsche. Fucking Porsche. Look at this. Oh, damn, this is crazy though. Like, no cap. My bad. What the fuck? They got another fucking Bugatti right there. And they got another. Oh, they got 3 of them. That's crazy, bro. First time seeing these. How y'all feel? Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these. Fucking indeed, nigga. Damn. Oh, what the fuck you doing, nigga? Nigga, I'm recording, nigga. I'm getting content. I'm back on the channel. Fuck you, nigga.
Bro, I'm really about to get your pickle chin that boy. Hey, go that collard green hair that boy. Oh, head that boy, oh, dirt that boy, stink ass boy, afro hair that, lip gloss chin that boy, ugly.
Anyway, bro, that's my first time seeing these, fam. Yes, bro. Yo, that's so tough. So tough. That is tough, indeed. I ain't gonna lie. Fucking. They going crazy over there, though. Y'all want me to record for y'all? I got y'all, bro. Cause god damn. Hold on. Damn. Chat, look at this M3 or M4, I don't know. With the DRLs, that's so tough, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That is indeed tough. You feel me? Lambo. Stupid ass. Alright. Y'all stop this shit. Oh, fuck. They got a Rolls? Nah, these colors are tough. I ain't gonna lie. These colors are tough. No, they're not tough. I don't like it. Indeed, I don't like it. But I fuck with this, though. I fuck with this. For sure. This tough. But this is like too much for me. I ain't gonna care. I think she got a wide body. Yeah. But it's raining, bro. That's why it's not too lit. You feel me? Why the fuck is it's fuck Florida, man? Hey man, say man. I showed y'all what they got going on. So y'all know I gotta go record for my Instagram. Y'all need to go follow me on Instagram. You feel me? I'm gonna put my Instagram right there. type shit. So yeah, I'm trying to go record something for my Instagram, cause I don't know. Everybody leaving because it's raining, and that shit just started, bro. But I guess the Mustang really. Everybody's leaving. It's raining. Okay. Stop all that revving shit, bro. Lambo. Mustang. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in a little bit, no cap. But everybody's leaving, chat. Like, I don't know, bro. Like, everybody's leaving, bro. And shit. I record some for y'all, but I wish it wasn't raining, bro. Like, no kid. But hey man, at least I record something for y'all, like on some cool shit. Look at that Lamb though. And look at that it's a M340, I think. I ain't gonna lie, they kinda tough. They kinda tough with the new ones. I mean all of them, but this are like, you know, tougher. Stupid at it. But yeah, X Drive, M340. Yeah, that's tough. Lambo SQ8. Okay. I think that's beating a Lambo. I mean, not a Lambo. I mean, yeah, a Lambo. I mean, a Beamer. No, I'm tripping. This not being no Beamer. No M5. But yeah, so everybody's leaving, so love y'all boys. And y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 1K. And yeah, love y'all.